Today we got for you my full review of the Bose QC30 wireless in-ear noise canceling earbuds. Do not judge it until you've tried it, or at least you've watched this video. God, so cringy, but I love puns. Today let's find out if these things are worth your hard-earned money, if they even sound good at all, or even if the noise cancellation actually works. Speaking of money, this thing will run you $300. That is not cheap at all. And for just a little bit more money, you can actually get the Bose QC35 2s or even the 35 1s, which are amazing. Bluetooth, no wires at all, noise canceling over-the-ear headphones that are incredibly comfortable. You guys know I love those headphones. Now, money's gonna be a big factor right off the bat of whether or not you pull the trigger on these or not, because they are definitely priced where not everybody can afford them. But if you're someone who's been in the market for a while, you've been saving up, you're just looking for the best noise canceling in-ear earbuds or earphones or whatever, then in my opinion, this is it. This is where you stop the video, you go to the link in the description below, and you go pick this guy up. I've done tons of research. I've tried all different ones, the Plantronics ones, the Sony ones that are out there. There's a whole plethora of reviewers out there that have compared all these different ones. I'm gonna save you the trouble and just tell you now that out of the current possibilities that are offered out there for in-ear Bluetooth earphones, not headphones, that are noise canceling, this is your best bet. Now, some of the things that I love about these earbuds, they're Bose. They sound amazing. The sound quality is awesome, and you can kind of tune it, adjust it to yourself. The cool thing about this one compared to the Bose QC35s is that the noise cancellation is actually adjustable too, so you can turn it down a little bit if you want to be able to hear ambient noises, or turn it up a lot if you're on an airplane or somewhere with crying baby, just somewhere loud and you want to cancel that noise. Now, in the beginning of the video, I did wireless like this because they are Bluetooth, so that they don't need to be plugged into your phone. However, Bluetooth quality is a little bit spotty. They could potentially put out a firmware update, who knows, but as of now, it's not perfect. I'm gonna say that. Unlike my Bose QC35s, I almost never get drops in that. And then number two, about the wireless thing, it still has wires going up to your ears, and it has this annoying neckband. Now, the neckband is in no way uncomfortable. It just kind of sits there. It's kind of cold to the touch, but it's like that rubberized texture that feels nice. The annoying thing about the neckband is that it always gets twisted one way and feels like the wires or stuff, they're just kind of starting to choke you, and you have to keep adjusting that. Hate that. That's really annoying, not just kind of. However, I will say the ear tips, amazingly comfortable. They're Bose. Bose makes great ear tips, and even when you put them in without turning the earbuds on yet, it already cancels out so much sound, and just not cancels, but blocks out a bunch of sound. Now, some of you out there are gonna be like, why would I buy this specific pair of neckband earbuds when I can get one of the LG ones for like under 100, even under 50 sometimes? Well, again, the big selling point of these is they have noise cancellation, and it is awesome that the noise cancellation is adjustable. And I'll tell you now, they definitely rival my QC35s. Now, I'll say for music and sound quality, they sound amazing, just like any of my other Bose products or any of the Bose products out there that you've probably used or even heard of. Bose is definitely a well-renowned company in the audio world, but I will say there's nothing crazy, like life-changing about the sound. It sounds great. Now, if you're someone who's mainly looking for something in-ear because you don't like the giant ear cups of headphones that can cancel out some noise, this is a good option. But if you are someone who doesn't really care about the music functionality and you're just in a work environment where you just want some quiet, you want to be able to focus, well, I've recently posted a review of the Bose Sleep Buds. If you've never heard of them, this is them. They are tiny. They're actually wireless. They go right in your ears and you literally cannot feel them. They're made for sleeping and blocking out noise while sleeping, but they work amazingly for just trying to focus and do some work. Check out my full review in the description below. Battery life on these is definitely up to par. That 10 hours is definitely accurate, but I wish they squeezed a little bit more into that since you gotta wear that ugly neckband anyways. The earbuds charge via micro USB, and there is an LED indicator that goes from green to yellow to red, letting you know when you gotta charge up. You can take calls on this guy just like any other Bluetooth headphones or earbuds nowadays, and it sounds pretty, well, whatever. Nobody really notices a difference, which I guess is a good thing. Overall, if you're really wanting noise cancellation, I'd say try to save up, go for the Bose QC35 2s, and then if you just care about noise cancellation and not listening to music, I'd say actually go for the Bose Sleep Buds, and then if you don't care about either and you're just for fun kind of looking for a new pair of earbuds, I say wait for the Apple AirPods 2. They're coming out real soon. Thank you guys so much for watching my full review of the Bose QC30. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like button, share it with one of your friends that you know has been looking for some new audio products, and make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Links are down below if you're looking for anything I talked about in this video. My name is Jerry Lane with NOBA Tech. Until the next one and beyond.